So when somebody approaches the bank and either is looking for a loan modification or is looking for forbearance or some other sort of option, what sort of documents do they need in order to prove their financial situation?
Almost the same as when they first applied for the loan. It is the most recent month of proof of income, whether it's pay stubs or profit and loss, unemployment, pension, social security, whatever that income is. But it's got to be proof of it, like an actual document, whether that's your annual notice of benefits or whatever it is, pay stubs. Bank statements, last 2 months. Some lenders want 3 months. If you're self-employed, they might want 6 months, but bank statements. Your most recent tax return. It's another question people ask me, well, what if I haven't filed my taxes? Can I still do a short sale or a loan mod or any of these things? Yes, you can. Not filing is not going to stop. You just would need to submit your prior year. Like right now, a lot of people got extensions, so maybe they didn't file 2024 yet, so they'd give 2023. A hardship letter that explains, and when I read people's hardship letters, you do not want a 2-page hardship letter. We're not going back to 2008 when the housing market crashed, and they don't need any of that. Bullet point it. What they want to know is, when did you buy it? What has changed since you bought it? And what is it you're looking for now? So if what you're looking for is a loan modification, I tell people when I work with them to be specific. Go through and actually be able to show what you can afford and how you can afford it. So if you say, these are what my expenses are, this is what my current mortgage payment is, and if my mortgage was modified by just $300 a month, I could become current. I could stay current on that. I've proven it. Here's my income. And they're looking for, this is based on some standards, and back in the day when there was the Making Homes Affordable program, if your mortgage payment was under 31% of your gross income, you were not eligible for a loan mod. If it's under 31, if you were over 31%, then you would at least meet that first criteria of qualifying, because I guess the knowledge that's out there is that if it's anything more than 31% of your gross, then that's too much. It's not affordable based on your debt to income ratio. So they're going to look at all of that. If you have someone else living in the house with you that's also contributing, even if they're not a borrower, they're going to want to see that. They might want a letter. If you have rental income, they want leases, they want copies of ledgers, they want to see where the income is coming from. So just the proof of what the financial hardship is. If it's that you're trying to sell the home and you don't have 50K to bring to closing, then they need to see all of your bank statements to show you don't have 50K sitting somewhere. It is just like reapplying for a loan.